Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. I head the Department of Breast Diseases at C.K. Birla Hospital. The breast center at C.K. Birla Hospital deals with both cancerous and non-cancerous breast conditions. Today I'll be talking about a very important topic, that is the myths pertaining to breast cancer. In our country, you know that WhatsApp forwards are a very in thing, and because of these WhatsApp forwards, a lot of misconceptions and myths are created in women's groups regarding breast cancers. So the most common myth which I come across, which patients come and ask me, is that a particular colored bra or a particular type of bra can give rise to breast cancer. Well, that is not true. Even if you wear a black colored bra or if you wear underwired bras, that does not increase your risk of breast cancer. So don't get driven by those myths. Yes, underwired bras can sometimes give rise to breast pain, but that's only when the wire impinges on the skin. That usually happens when the breast size or the bra size is not correct. So if you're having pain when you're wearing your underwired bra, please get your size checked out, because of a size discrepancy there can be pain. Another common misconception is that nobody in my family has had breast cancer, so I also cannot develop breast cancer. Well, that is not true. Only 10% breast cancers run in families. Majority breast cancers occur sporadically. That means they can occur in anyone. So even if there is no family history of cancer or breast cancer or ovarian cancer in your family, you can still develop breast cancer. So please don't let your guard down. Please carry out doing breast self-examination. You can see the video on our YouTube channel where my nurse has depicted the correct technique of breast self-examination. Don't be under the misconception that you can't get breast cancer if there's nobody in your family who's got it. The third misconception is using underarm deodorants or stick deodorants or spray deodorants can give rise to breast cancer. Well, that is also a myth. Many studies have been conducted on this and none have found that using underarm deodorants increases the risk of cancer. Another common misconception is that I get regular health checkups done and I get regular mammograms done. These mammograms can increase the risk of breast cancer. No, the amount of radiation which you get in a mammogram is very less, and that will not increase your risk of cancer even if you get a mammogram every year. In fact, by using these mammograms, we can pick up breast cancer early. Okay. The final misconception which I would like to talk about is that there's nothing I can do to reduce my risk of breast cancer. Well, in my previous videos I've spoken about the risk factors of breast cancer, and I've spoken about modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors. If you take care of the modifiable risk factors, and namely 3 of them, that is, you keep your weight under control, you don't smoke, and you drink in moderation, if these 3 things can be taken care of, you can bring down your risk of breast cancer by almost 30%. So these were some common misconceptions pertaining to breast cancer which you should know about. If there is any other misconception or myth which you would like to clarify, please do write it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Do watch our other videos in this breast cancer series, as it would help you to know more about this illness. If you like the video, please do press the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.